Sometimes you see these 3D logos, people use it to design their names or their names or their business names, and you see it online, they look so beautiful. You wish you could as well generate something as beautiful as that. Well, today I'm going to teach you how you can be able to generate your own 3D logos. And to do so, we are going to be using a website called Ideogram. What you need to do, just open your Chrome browser and type Ideogram, Ideogram, Ideogram AI. Then you search. So you see this website, this one you have Ideogram on top, that's what you touch. So when you open it, allow it to load. Once it loads, you are going to see a lot of already made. One good thing about this website is that even if you don't know how to write prompts, you don't have to worry. You can just come here, look at what other people have done. Do you understand me? Look at what people have done, and then you can decide to use it to do yours. Then I'm going to show you how to do that. Like, let me give you an instance. See this image? I'm going to use it to generate my own. Like from Adam, I don't know how to write prompt, but I just want something as beautiful as this with my name on it. So what I need to do is just click on this remix. If you look closely in the prompt, you will see where they put Happy New Year 2025 in asterisk or in inverted bracket. So I'm going to be removing the Happy New Year. Then I'll put Learn with Editing Lioness. You see it? Then if you also look down here, you see where they put signed by root by somebody. You can just also remove it. If you want your name there, you can remove there too and add your name. Let me just say I want to add my name. I'll just put Akokoma there. Then once you are done readjusting the text, what you need to do is you will now click on remix. Just click on this remix, and then you give it some time to do the magic for you. Just give it some time. You can see down here it's trying to it generates 4 images at a go, and then from the 4 images generated, you can now decide to pick the one you like among the most. So let's just give it small time to generate. Alright, so our image is done generating. So like if you click on the image, you can see what is there. You see Learn with Editing Lioness Akokoma, but here it didn't write my name well. Let me check the next one. Perfect, this one is very nice. You can check the 4 of them and see the one. You can as well just download all of them, all the ones that are correct. Like this one, everything is correct. Learn with Editing Lioness is correct. My name is correct. This one is also, everything is correct. And if you want to download it, just click on the image and hold it. Once you click the image and hold it, you will see download image. Click on it and then you download. I'm going to do the same thing here. I'll hold the image, I'll click download, and then I'll download. So you can do this even if it's not only this one you like. You can go back to the home button and check other ones there that you may like. You can come here, check other ones, other designs. No matter what it is, even as this one is, you can as well decide to remix it. You understand me? You can decide to remix it. Like the same thing, just exactly what we did. You can do the same thing. Just come here. you click on remix. You see where that A is an inverted comma, you just remove the A and put your own. Do you understand me? So let me just say say I want to just remix only my name. Then once I'm done adjusting it, I will now click on this remix, and then I'll allow it to remix. So that's how to do it. Even if you don't have any knowledge of AI, you've never used AI in your life, you can easily generate these beautiful logos. So many people use it to generate. Okay, seems like I did not remove something. It seems like I did not do it well. Let me check. The A is there, then the Alexos, I think Alexos. See Alexos. This is where I'm supposed to have changed. Alright, let me change. Is here I'm supposed to have changed. So one thing with this thing is, once you just open it, you take your time, look at it very well. See all the places where there are names. Anywhere you see inverted comma, just know that that's what the names that will be coming on it. Let me just remix it so that once it's done remixing it, it will look nice. It will give you exactly what you wanted. I hope we are getting me. So once it remix it, you can as well do it nicely. Make sure you write your name, your business name, including images. Even if it's image, you can as well remix it. So the way it, this one, everything is correct. My name is correct. It's also correct here. Is correct. In fact, the four of them is correct. So it's now left for me to choose the one I like the most. Like I like this first one. In fact, I like all of them very well. I can now download it. So just go and try it out yourself and use it and develop and market your business so that it will get that visibility that you want it to have. That is it, guys, for this tutorial. Don't forget I remain your one and only editing lioness, Akokoma. See you in my next class. Bye.